Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share some thrilling news with you today. The iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be on the horizon, and the buzz is absolutely electric. If you're as passionate about Apple as I am, you won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the design. Can you believe it? There are whispers that the iPhone SE 4 might sport a stunning new look, possibly inspired by the sleek iPhone 14. Just imagine a larger display and a more refined body. How amazing would that be? I can already picture it in my hands. Now let's talk features. The excitement is real. We're hearing rumors of upgraded cameras that could take your photography to the next level and improve battery life that keeps you connected longer. And with the latest A-series chip, this phone could be a powerhouse. Just think about all the incredible things you could do with that kind of speed. And what about the release date? Many are speculating it could drop in early 2025. That's just around the corner. I can hardly contain my excitement. Mark your calendars, folks. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling tech updates. I want to hear from you. What features are you most excited about in the iPhone SE 4? Let's chat in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big.